If you struggle with having a consistent pipeline of leads, I want to share a solution that will not only help you build a large list of leads with accurate data on each of the businesses, but will also help you pinpoint which of those businesses are most likely to hire you. Now, with the data that you'll have access to, you will be able to prepare compelling pitches and deliver those to the prospects who are most likely to turn into paying clients for you. And to do this, we are going to be using the SEMrush Lead Finder tool. Thank you to SEMrush for sponsoring this video. So the SEMrush Lead Finder tool helps you to find relevant business leads based on location and web technologies that are used by the leads. So let's look at how this works. First, we are going to look at how to find leads. Second, we will look at qualifying the leads so that you know which are most likely to become clients. So the first thing that we do from our dashboard here at SEMrush is go down to the agency solutions section, and there we can click on Lead Finder, or you can even use the link in the description below. Now here you can search for leads based on their industry, location, and web technology. And if you want to get more specific, you can use a combination of these to narrow down your lead list. So, for instance, you can select a specific technology. There's only one allowed here per search, but you can create different lists with different technologies. So as well, you can also select one or more industries, since you can search multiple industries here at once. Now, the lower the number of industries, the lower the number of leads. But this bar will let you know based on your selection here if you have a smaller list, but the list is more specific, or if you have a less specific list, but you're reaching a larger amount of leads. So you can also adjust the number of leads that you would like to collect. So now that you have your list of leads, it is time to qualify them. Now, this is an important part of the process because it shows you the most promising leads so you don't waste your time on those who are less likely to convert. Now, to do this, you can click on the lead card here for more details, and you will see information like domain name, social media profiles, contact info, analytics and tracking, marketing and web dev tools, security details, and more here. Now, you also see important SEO metrics like the site's authority score, their traffic backlinks. Now, you'll want to check a site audit health score for the lead. To do so, you can click the Run Site Audit button here, and then a project is then created for this domain, and 100 pages, assuming the website has 100 pages, on the lead's website is checked. Now, each lead card, both the detailed and the list views, you will see the lead score. Now, the lead score is a number from 10 to 100, and it tells you the quantity and strength of the indicators that are related to the business's potential to turn into a client, as well as different elements of its online presence. So the Lead Finder presents a list of opportunities based on the SEMrush data from the lead's website, and there you can click on View Details, and there you're going to discover specific opportunities that you can present to that business and use it to increase their visibility. Now, this is also information that you can use to pitch to these leads. So here you can click to copy the opportunities as you prepare your pitch. Now, you can use all of this information to determine who is most qualified and who you would like to begin targeting first. Now, you can also switch views here, so you can see all leads, new leads, viewed here. Now, one way I like to use this is by adding metric filters to adjust the ranges that you'd like to see depending on how you qualify leads and who you'd like to target. So if you want to target those with a specific authority score, a specific number of visits or traffic and so forth, then you can sort by all of those here. Now, if you want to fix specific issues under opportunities here, you can search for businesses who are experiencing a specific problem. So you can favorite or even save leads by selecting the star icon here, and they'll appear under your saved list. Now, you can also export your leads to a CSV file if you want to have that data there. So you have a couple of export options. The first is basic export, and this will include the website address, the email, company name, location, authority score, backlinks count, organic traffic, visitors, visits count, and site audit metrics. Now, if you do a full export, that is going to include all of that information from a basic export, and it's also going to include the company industry, company description, the number of employees, the year the company was founded, and the employees, their phone numbers, and LinkedIn accounts as well. So this is not only how you can find leads, but make the best use of your outreach time by targeting the most qualified leads, get them results as you begin your work. So hopefully this has given you a great insight into an easy way to start building a long list of prospects that have a high chance of you converting them into paying clients. If you have any questions about the SEMrush Lead Finder tool, SEMrush in general, or any other question, feel free to drop a comment down below and I'd be happy to help you there. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.